Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Martha and today I'm back with another makeup tutorial. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Brushing the eyebrows using this spoolie. Then I'm going to go on with an eye pencil to fill them in. Start with the lower part of your brows before going to the upper part. On with the concealer from the Ariticus in order to clean my brows using a flat brush. Concealer on my eyelid so that I can later use it as my eyeshadow base. And with the inner part of the eyebrows, I'm going to use my foundation from the BB Plus. So I'm going to use this foundation at the upper part of the eyebrows, since if you use foundation, things will be easier when you're blending later than when you use the concealer, because it won't be matching with your skin.
So do you really love me like you say you do? Oh baby, do you really love me like...
On with the brush in order to remove the excess concealer and foundation.
You like to think you do. Cause at times I seem to see what I like, blind myself by the light. So do you really love me like I think you do? Oh baby, do you really love me like I think you do? When I'm with you.
Set my eyelids using the Saacha buttercup setting powder in order to create an eyeshadow base. With the eyeshadow, I'm going to use one from the Full Face eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use that shade as my transitional shade. Of the eyelids, I'm going to go on with that shade. Go on with the other transitional shade in order to blend everything very well. With the eyeliner, I'm going to use one from the Kiss Beauty. With the mascara in order to remove any eyeshadow particles. That's from the Kylie. And for the face, I'm going to first clean it using the face wipes.
Better day ain't gonna get deleted.
Primer, I'm going to use one from the Karite face primer. Choose the foundation from the BB Plus in shade number 3. Spray it using the Kiss Beauty setting spray. I'm so obsessed with the Kiss Beauty products. I'm going to go on with the beauty blender in order to blend everything very well.
Till I'm 60.
Foundation brush still to blend everything very well. So lastly, I'm going to use one from the Ariticus in order to highlight the T-zone areas.
Well, I took too many sips. I mean, what exactly is too many years? Long as I'm walking, I'm okay. I'll feel better anyway. Forgot about my proms, but how am I gonna get home? I spend all my money and drinks and now I roam. Never listen to warnings, but there's no reason to worry. Never listen.
It's my first time to try out this lipstick brush thing, so I'm going to apply some lipstick and then blend it in using the beauty blender. And everything while using my foundation brush so that to remove those harsh lines you're seeing. The Saacha buttercup setting powder just to the areas I've highlighted. I'm going to use this Micolour foundation. Cheek, on the upper forehead, the nose, as you can see. My angled brush in order to blend the contour very well.
Make me feel like I'm supposed to go. Tell me what you're thinking about me when I'm gone. You're so beautiful.
Small angled brush to blend the contour on my nose.
And while you play these games, I question my faith first of all. You'll never know.
On with the Saacha Buttercup setting powder in order to bake.
On the road, I'm losing my mind.
I'm going to go on with the MAC powder in order to contour.
It's alright. I don't wanna fall. I can't lose it all.
Remove the excess powder using a small brush.
Part of me that doesn't show. Hide it in the dark until it's gone.
Apply some brush from the Vivid brusher.
You'll never know how
I'm back with my finishing powder from the black Opal in order to blend everything very well.
wish I was near you now, but I'm all alone on the road. I'm losing my
Apply some eyeliner at the lower eyelid and also some mascara.
tell me everything.
With the setting spray, I'm going to use one from the Kiss Beauty. I'm going to apply some highlighter, that's from the Febble Vivid highlighter. Lips, I'm going to first line them with a brown lip liner.
Make me feel like
And with a red lipstick, that's from the Superstay Maybelline
tell me what you're
nude shade onto that lipstick still. Lip gloss in order to have those glossy lips.
yeah. I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle. You just want bottle today. Tell me joy, west side. I've been trying.
Final look, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. In case of any questions, drop them in comment section. I shall reply them. See you in my next video. Bye bye.